Division of binary numbers. Examples. Number 1. Calculate 1111 base 2 divided by 11 base 2. Solution. The approach we are going to use is a long division. So this is our dividend, and we have this to be our divisor. So using the long division, dividend will be here 1, 1, 1, 1. And the divisor 1, 1. Now, for this divisor, we have how many digits number? 2-digit number. So it's going to be compared to first 2-digit number here also. 1, 1 divided by 1, 1. What do we have? That is 1. Now, the result we have here, which is 1, we are going to use it to multiply the divisor also now. 1 times 1, that is 1. And 1 times 1, we also have what? 1. So we take away. Taking away, we have 1, 1 minus 1, 1. What do we have? That's 0. So we have 0 here. 0. Now, we have used the first 2 digits. We still have last 2 digits here, which are 1, 1 also. So we bring down the next digit after the first 2 digits. You see we have 1, 1. Then the next one is this one. Bring it down. Now, this is 0, 1 now. Divide by divisor again. 1, 1. Is 0, 1 divided by 1, 1? That's 0, because this number, 1, 1, is bigger than 0, 1. So that's 0. So we are going to use this 0 to multiply what we have here. 0 times 1, what do we have? 0 times 1, we have 0. 0 times this one also, we have 0. So we take away. Taking away, what do we have? We are going to have what? 0, 1 minus 0, 0. That is going to be 1. Now, we have used the first 3 digits. Remain the last one. Look at it. The last digit here, which is 1. Now, bringing down equivalent position down. Bringing it down, we have 1 here. Now, this 1, 1 we have here now. We now use the divisor to divide it again. Consistent division or continuous division. Now, 1, 1 again divided by 1, 1. What do we have? 1. This 1 now, we use to multiply this 1, 1. What do we have? 1, 1. And what do we have? We take away. 1, 1 minus 1, 1. What do we have? 0. Until you get 0. You can see the remainder now is now 0. Once the remainder is 0, then you have solved the problem. Because this is your divisor. This is your dividend. Your answer is your quotient here. And this is your remainder. Once the remainder is 0, then you have solved the problem. Now, we can now conclude that 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2 divided by what? 1, 1 base 2 is equals to what? Is equals to the quotient, which is 1, 0, 1 base 2. That is the solution to the problem.